Good day everyone. So long time no upload, wala tayong fishing. So wala kasi kaming for this anchorage or time na mag drifting. So still here in our work. So I like to share something that are valuable to use, especially when you're making an assist hooks for fishing. So this is my last build of this Vise is you need a welding machine and to fabricate this kind of Vise. So this time I would like to show to you this type of Vise. Very easy to make. You need only drill and wood and Vise. This tool that are using Vise grip, but it's long nose type. So okay, so this is my I like to share to you this Vise hooks. Okay, alright, so you'll be surprised. Okay, so this is my new Vise here on a board chip that I'm using. So I'm using a wood, this dowel wood only, and some base piece of square wood and a Vise only. So two materials only that I'm using. This is a Vise grip, that long nose type. This long nose. Okay, so it's easy to make this one, also to build. Just make a hole with this part. If you have dowel or a square type of wood that can fit like this, thickness of like this, and then make a hole on this part. This Vise grip has has a round part, say like this one. Okay, so then I put a screw on the only on the base part, see, to hold this dowel, okay, and then it can hold the hook. This is a hook now. It's very durable to hold this guy. Okay, I show you how this works. See, this is the hook now. When you open this one, it's a Vise grip only, no? See? The hold of this Vise grip is very stable, very stable and hard. You can adjust from here. There is a knob here for this Vise grip. Whatever, if you're using big one or small hooks like this, very easy to adjust. Just point this one, adjust this knob, and it will hold properly. Okay, this is very easy to make. Okay, thank you very much. So it's DIY. If you like a DIY like this Vise, easy to make and more easy to you to make an assist hooks like this, so that you will not hold this hook in your hand. Easy, and you don't need much of tools to make. Only two. Just buy a Vise grip. It's cheaper in some of the tool store. It costs only like around 200 pesos in Philippines. And wood if you have scrap wood, and you can make this vise. Okay, so that's it. So easy to use, so easy to make, and easy to build. And